Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all possible ways you can take screenshots or record your screen on your TCL 30 or any TCL 30 series like TCL 30 SE or TCL 306. So in order to actually take the screenshot very fast way, simply press the lock key and volume down key at the same time, like this, and you can see that the screenshot is taken. And here, after, let's take another one, like that, and here you can share it or delete it if you don't like it. The next option is screen recording, and I'm gonna show you other ways to take screenshot, but first let me show you all the simple ways. So in order to record our screen, scroll down your notification bar like that. From here scroll down again, and here you will see some shortcuts. Now in order to record our screen, find the one that is responsible for that. So here's mine, screen recorder. You can see the camera sign on it. Simply press on it, and here you will have a shutter timer, and the screen recording will start after this 3 seconds. Now in order to disable or stop it, simply press on this icon, and our video is saved. It will be accessible in our gallery. Now other ways to take screenshots, because that's the only way actually to record the screen. You can also find the app for it if you want, but other default ways to take screenshots is to go to settings, and from here find buttons and gestures, click on it. Now find the gestures, and here you can see some settings for finger screenshots. Now let's enable all of them, and the first one is 3-finger screenshot. Swipe down with 3 fingers simultaneously to take a screenshot, and it works very simple. Just scroll down your fingers like that and you will take the screenshot. It's the same one as the buttons, but it might be quicker. The next option is to 3-finger regional screenshot. Pinch with 3 fingers to take a regional screenshot. So that works like this. You simply hold your 3 fingers onto the screen like that, and then you can crop the screenshot however you want. So for example, I want to just take this photo of this assistant right here. Fun fact, it can't be cropped lower than this. Okay. Now in order to take this screenshot, simply press this OK button and the screenshot will be taken. We can press on it in order to access it. We can crop it, draw it on it, erase it, put some text on it, and then save it. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.